Good afternoon, guys. Jake from Jake's Great Vlogs. What is up? The heat. That's what's up. And yeah, it's hot. I don't know if I mentioned this to you before, but like I always wear this heavy jacket, and well, I can't get any other lighter jackets that have big enough pockets, and of course have 6 pockets. You know, even though I just use 4 of them, but yeah, there's like a lot of things I need. A lot of things to me that I need every time I do my usual routine, and I just want for it to be perfect enough and not to go very wrong. Oh, good old shade. But that's noise less. So yeah, I'm on my way to the bus to go over to the mall. I totally forgot about the fact that there was a 53 that I could have taken, but yeah, it wasn't on my mind, and I can't keep like every single thing on my mind. There's a limited amount of space, yeah, for my head. And yeah, you know, well, I do like wearing these glasses and all, but it does cause me to do this sort of thing that's pretty annoying, as I've seen in my videos. It's just the that's because the glasses, when they're, I guess when my face is slippery and the glasses are beginning to slide down and all that, that's just me, yeah, like trying to keep the glasses in place. Yeah, see, it's something like that. But yeah, and I've seen it in my recent videos, and yeah, trying to limit that. And even my first ones, I used to stutter a lot, and I don't seem to do it as much now that I'm a little more aware of it. Meh. Still, that's a good thing. And well, I do wonder, should I hang out with some friends more often, or just, yeah, call for hangouts and well, something, I don't know. But yeah, I wouldn't want to bore you guys with more of these videos where it's just me, and yeah, and you get the impression of them mostly alone. But yeah, there we change. A little bit of changes for that. And well, there are a few. Yeah, friends of mine, namely the graduation, the 2 graduations in one day vlog series, and the Liz and Jake duology, even though it's just in the second part. And the first one, that specifically has it's specifically titled as Liz and Jake. Wait, where's Liz? Or wait a minute, where's Liz? Or yeah, I think it's wait, where's Liz? I think it was just me, and that was the first part of my day before I ran into Liz and became friends with her. And yeah, she's an awesome person, and a wonderful actress. And sure is awesome that she wants to be a director, just like me, and that she also wants to be an actress, or that she's gonna continue her interest in acting. And I do wonder if she is gonna be taking a film class over at De Anza, because if she's taking like basic digital filmmaking or something like that, then that's awesome, because well, that's what I'm taking. And for this quarter, yeah, I can't wait to have to take the 53 bus or have to go and like catch the 53 bus like later in the afternoon every day when it comes to having to go to school. Yeah, for 1 or 2 months. That's what I'm gonna have to do for this quarter, this summer quarter. At least I'll be inside for like almost 8 hours, 6 hours, whatever it is. Just, yeah, for a really, really long time. Yeah, see, just did that again. That's because the glasses are so slippery. Thank you. TTYL. So, just came back from the mall. Oh, I'm on my way home, and this weather. I asked to check. Yeah, maybe I will start. Yeah, just wearing sunscreen. No more. Yeah, what will I do if, yeah, it's like just a lot of things I want to always keep with me. Because, yeah, that's me. I just need them everywhere. Like, I just want to be prepared for anything. Yeah, prepare for everything. But, I guess I should take most of the summer just to figure that out. Use my imagination. I'm wondering if I should see a movie. I don't know what of the movies are coming out or have come out that are good. I don't remember what other movies are. And that I've already seen a lot. Or just a lot of some good ones that are already out in something. Well, I guess that's another thing I'll have to figure out. And well, I'll come back to you guys real soon. Okay. Tucker. Little bunny. Yeah, I'm filming him. Nice. Clean himself all the time. Gee boy. Here's a Tucker. Oh. Blue Tucker. And there's a man. Oh, gee, love that. Go. Oh, great. And I just moved him out of the spot. Oh, I know. Just move a little more, Tucker. Come on, boy. Move. Oh, forget it. I'm not gonna hurt you, Bunny. I'm not gonna have my viewers think that I am cruel to animals. Well, I just beat up an elephant, but yeah, I was going to. Oh, wait, Tucker. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Let me make sure I
Yeah, we can make some more.
I made one. Yeah, I did. Okay, good.
Yeah. on my way over to Safeway, and that, yeah, that was a quick glimpse. There. Yeah. Just, yeah, I'm on my way over to the Safeway. Gotta make sure that there's no cars going toward, it's clear enough. So, yeah. Today was kind of good, decent. Of course, I don't wear my glasses all the time when it's at nighttime. Oh, gotta rest. Okay, just avoid getting to a car. It's okay. I'm not making much sense. All right, I am going inside, but well, I'm just gonna turn off the camera just in case. So peace out. Okay, I've got, yeah, just some more grapes. And yeah, something for myself, so. And there's nothing else that's really that interesting for you guys, so I'm just gonna end the vlog as of right now, so like this if you enjoy it, and if you enjoy my other videos, then just subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a good night, and stay tuned for more of my vlogs. Bye.